in governance systems here. You know, many a time, many people would have asked you, many people from different backgrounds, chartered accountants, engineers, the doctors, or, BCom graduates or BA graduates. In this world, a profound question would have come down to you at any point of time. In this global career where you have cash-rich salaries which are awaiting you, that careers are awaiting you. And there is a scope for startups to become another Bill Gates or Infosys Narayana Murthy. Or you have, you can earn the fame and the comfort. Many people would have asked you, why did you choose this service? Toughest part is to answer. I know it's not easy to become a civil servant. It looks glamorous too. And I think that somewhere deep inside, you thought of serving this country, serving the people with sincerity, with honesty, with capability. Last but not the least, with compassion. This sort of distinction would have made you not to choose a high salaried job or becoming a businessman or taking different other professions. So we salute, we honor your deep sense of commitment to serve the public. That is your greatest strength.